Documents within Docs Plus can be shared between Chromebooks, iPads, and Windows and Mac computers. To share the document, click the document icon and choose Send a Copy. A Docs Plus document will open in the Docs Plus app or Docs Plus on the computer. A Google document will open in Google Docs and Microsoft Word, and a text file will open in most apps. Wordbars can also be shared between copies of Docs Plus on different iPads, Chromebooks, and Windows and Mac computers. To share a Wordbar, click the Wordbar ribbon tab. Next, click the File icon and select Send a Copy. You can now email your Wordbar. Remember, Docs Plus files can be used with Google Classroom.